everyone, it's Lele. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. Today I have really exciting news to share with you. On February 10, 2025, I germinated water spinach using my favorite tissue method. This method helps the seeds sprout quickly by keeping them moist and warm.
Winter sun, winter frost, winter wind.
To create the perfect environment, I cover the tree with fleece. This helps maintain the right moisture level and speed up germination.
Onions rose up too, digging dirt in my wellies in the morning dew. The English weather.
And now they have all sprouted beautifully. Look at them. They are growing so well.
Winter wind, a garden lost.
Now that they have sprouted, it's time to replant them into individual bags so they can grow strong and healthy.
I grow garlic, onions rose up too, digging dirt in my wellies in the morning dew. The English weather is damp and cold, but my roots are strong, my hands hold. Winter sun, winter frost, winter wind, a garden lost, but deep in the soil.
In this video, I will show you the step-by-step process of replanting them. So stay on and let's get started. And I'm going to use seed nursery bag. I will fill the soil, and in every single bag I will put 2 seeds. Come on, ready. The compost that I use, seeds and cotton compost.
The monsoon's gone, but I still dream of golden fields and rushing streams. Though I stand where cold winds blow, my heart's a seed that still will grow. Through frost and rain, I'll find my way. Home's not lost, it's where I stay. From monsoon skies to morning dew, I grow my life, I push on through.
He's a Burmese gardener in England, hands in the dirt, dreams in the land. Different weather, different sky, but she still plants, she still tries. Flowers bloom, vegetables grow, with green fingers she makes it sow. Tropical seeds from her old home, trying to grow them where the cold winds blow. Some won't sprout, some won't stay. The frost comes in and takes them away, but she won't stop, no, she won't cry. She plants again, let the sun rise. She keeps on growing, keeps on trying, even when the leaves start dying. From Myanmar's sun to England's rain, she digs her roots through joy and pain. Though some may fail, she plants once more, making gardens like her hometown before. She walks through rows of green and gold, breathing in the stories.
All done. The little seeds are now in their individual bags, and I can't wait to see them growing even bigger. I will keep you updated on their progress. Now I'm going to keep these trays in my window. Okay, let's do that.
The frost comes in and takes them away, but she won't stop, no, she won't cry. She'll plant again, let the sun rise. She keeps on growing, keeps on trying, even when the leaves start dying. From Myanmar's sun to England's rain, she digs her roots through joy and pain. Though some may fail, she plants once more, making gardens like her hometown before.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next one. Bye bye.
Come shine or shade.